Alright, there she is, guys. A Disney Destiny. We are at Lighthouse Point. Bring all the wagons back. Go out here one more time. Oh, it's beautiful out here, guys. It's about 75, maybe. Look how blue that water is, man. It's not even blue, it's like it's not even blue, it's like turquoise. Last time we were here, it was in December, last December. And we are here in November, so less than a year. We're already back. Well, changed some things, it looks like. Make a little monorail. They got some boat docks there.
Yes.
I don't remember being able to swim over there. Same exact Christmas trees that they had last year. Same exact Christmas trees as last year. So they didn't change that up any from last year. There she is, guys, a Disney Destiny. Well, things have certainly grown since we were here last. That's for sure. It looks more tropical, not so newly planted.
Mabrika, my friends. A very pleasant good day to you all.
Welcome to Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. My name is Tracy, and I will be your host for our short tram ride to the beach areas of our tropical paradise. Just a few reminders as we get started. For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tram. And please, supervise your children. There's so much to know about this place that I brought along a couple of young friends to help me out. Say hello to Lizzie the curly-tailed lizard.
Thanks for letting me tail along.
Little kids area.
That's exactly how he felt. So what did he do? He granted them the day after Christmas off. So here in the Bahamas, we not only have Christmas Day as a holiday, we also have Boxing Day. Boxing Day, you may ask, what is?
The decking's aged pretty good in 1 year. It's pretty good. It looks like it's going to hang in there for 8 to 10 years, I would say, anyways, out here in the weather. I would imagine they get a lot of rain out here, I would imagine. Both times I've been here, it's been just beautiful like this. I'm gonna come around here and go over to Strain Base. It looks like after 1 year. There's a barbecue place over there. I don't even know where I'm going. I think I should have went that way. I'm gonna go over that way. Don't quite remember the route. There we go. Figured it out. I knew I took the wrong turn at back there. Otherwise, you're gonna end up over there by the barbecue place. But you got to come by the cabanas here to get to Serenity. It's a good long walk from the bus to get to Serenity over here. The thing about the cabanas, unlike Castaway, they're not directly on the beach line. You got the dunes in front of you, just like in Texas. Or a cabana, you're inside the dunes, which is better. Or outside, I guess, inside, outside. It's a pet area. Let's go over here and see what's cooking. You can get some barbecue right here. People are already lining up to eat. I'm gonna go back to the ship and eat. What I think I'm gonna do is just go back to the ship. I'm gonna go back to the ship and record the Destiny while everybody's off of it, I guess. It's probably not a bad idea.
Yeah, you're right in the colors. I had no idea.
Pretty empty here now. A lot less people coming back. It's only about 12, I'm guessing. 12 before 1 for sure. The weather's drop dead gorgeous, I'll tell you that.